Make a great choice today with the 2020 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, traction control, security system, cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.